Alright guys, so we're back at the channel. We didn't leave you hanging, alright? We're coming back. We're just waiting for nicer weather. So, oh, they're that light.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what you guys call this one. Hasn't been in many videos, sadly. This is the Apollo, alright? And to keep up with the news on the channel, what happened to your pit bike?
The Teo is no longer with us.
Oh, dude, that light bar we put on there, that was nice, alright?
The eBay exhaust. The
eBay
Amazon
exhaust. Oh yeah, your bike's on the eBay exhaust video.
But now, we upgraded.
We upgraded to some Yamaha blasters. These things are sick. You guys recall the Coolister's back right there. It's in pieces. It's a parts bike for this bike now. We pulled off the throttle body, or the throttle cable for the carburetor. And we didn't want anything off that we pulled it, man. I forgot it did. But yeah, so here's some little cheap Amazon kickstart I bought. Some Amazon foot pegs I bought that I put on wrong. Some headlight I bought off Amazon. Don't worry, this thing does not have a stator and I can't power it properly. Well, it's got a stator, it doesn't have the auxiliary power cables. So I gotta run a battery to that with a switch. And then I bought some Amazon, what the fuck you call these? But this is already falling apart, so Wiggles, which is no bueno.
Just bend it.
I think it's when Michael dropped it. It didn't
No,
work.
it's been like that. I hated it because you would use it and it was pointed up. You would slide off of it.
Yeah, I don't know. It was not that bad, but
Maybe
it started falling. But yeah, so now we got these blasters. So let me put on my wet gloves. I left out in the rain, and let's ride.
We don't need gloves. We don't need gloves where we're going.
Open field.